Here's our graph work for today. This one we talked about before. And let's do this one. If you'd like extra help and want to follow my teaching, you can. If you don't need my help, you can go right ahead. This is the breakfast drink graph. Some people like milk in the morning, some people have hot cocoa, and some people have juice. Each picture equals one person's answer. Let's take a look at the first question. How many children drink milk for breakfast? Would you please count how many milk cartons you see? Flash that number at me, and let's double check and count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Let's write that over here. How many children drink milk for breakfast? 7. I make my 7s be international 7s, so mine look like that. The next question says, how many children drink hot cocoa? Let's go back and check. Would you please count how many pictures show the number of people who drink hot cocoa? Flash me the number so I can see what you counted to. Let's count together and check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check. Let's write that over here. How many children drink hot cocoa? That was 5. The next question says, what do most children drink for breakfast? Well, we know that one's 7. That one's 5. But we haven't counted that one yet. Let's see. Please count the number of juice boxes you see. And write that in the air. Now let's check together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, let's remember that one is 7. I'm going to write that down so I remember. That one is 5. I'm going to count that again to be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's write that over here, since there's 3 numbers for us to keep track of. So what do most children drink for breakfast? Which one would you say? 7 milk, 5 hot cocoa, or 9 juice? It's the juice one, right? Let's write that word over here. It's J-U-I-C-E. I'm going to write the number 9 after that to show that's kind of proving that we checked our numbers carefully. Here comes a more question. How many more children drink juice than milk? Okay, that takes some looking and some planning. So that's kind of how many more past 7 equals 9, or how many less than 9 is 7. I think if we know 7, both of them have 7 in it. How many more? I know. Let's find where the 7 line is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then let's draw a line right there. How many more past 7 are there? 2 more. How many more children drink juice than milk? That is 2. Because there's 7 and 7, and this still had more. Here comes another question. This is a fewer question. How many fewer children drink hot cocoa than juice? Oh, okay. That means the difference between 5 and 9. 5 plus how many more would make 9? Or 9 take away 5 would be how many? Let's try a subtraction for a change. Let's try 9 take away 5. So let's put a dot underneath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means those tell how many fewer children are drinking hot cocoa. Let's check. Let's count that again. Can you write that numeral in the air? And then let's write that numeral over here. There are 4 fewer children drinking hot cocoa than juice. The difference between 5 and 9? 5 plus what number equals 9? 5 plus 4 equals 9. We'll need that thinking later when we do computation next week. Here's another question. Uh-oh. This isn't altogether. That means addition. How many children like milk and hot cocoa all together? Well, that takes some addition. Milk and hot cocoa. Let's go back and check. Would you please count up how many milk and hot cocoa and write that numeral in the air? Let's check together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's right, 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. 7 plus 5 equals 12. Let's write that over here. 12. 12 children like milk and hot cocoa. Which breakfast drink do people like the least? Least means small number or smallest number. Do you remember which one up here is the smallest one? 7, 5, or 9? Did you think 5? That's the hot cocoa. I'm going to write an H here, but then you can finish copying the letters that say hot cocoa. Well done, everyone.